Do you know the Montadito Piripi? Well, it might be the most famous sandwich or tapa in Seville. Wow, look at it. Crispy exterior, juicy interior. It's amazing. We start by salting some pieces of pork loin. We'll need 1 piece of pork loin for each Montadito. Here's the big trick. Olive oil, a drizzle that coats our pieces of loin well. Mix it like this and go to the griddle, which should be very hot. A very hot pan also works, so let's go to the griddle. There, we're going to cook along with some slices of bacon, 1 for each sandwich, which will give it a smoky flavor and a spectacular touch. We cut the bread in half, 1 roll for each sandwich, and without meaning to, I ended up making a rhyme. You know, it should be a serrated knife, so it cuts well. As for the bread, it's made with these small individual portions that we use for snacks in Asturias, and they're called castañas. What are they called in your area? I have no idea, Santi. What do we call them? Dad? Dad!
Dad?
Well, dads. Well, that's it. With those small rolls, if you don't have them, you can make a big one with a regular loaf, or cut a baguette into as many pieces as you want. Look how easy it is. Well, that's it. I had it at full power and it took me about 60 seconds. We're looking for it to be like this, golden and crispy. I'll leave it there and go with a fresh tomato, some slices that will add freshness to our sandwich. Alright, let's start putting it together. The bread is open. Mayonnaise on the base. There you go, be generous with the mayonnaise. Super tasty. We'll add the bacon, that smoky touch we talked about. I love it. Honestly, it's super tasty and it goes well with everything. We add cheese, a slice of cheese, a Bardi. I love it for these sandwiches and it will melt too. It's going to be spectacular. We add the pork loin. There it is. This is wonderful. It gets ready super fast. Merienda, lunch, dinner, even breakfast for whatever you want. This Montadito is amazing. Enjoy it with your favorite drink, with a beer, with a cola, with whatever you want. Well, you've seen it. Tomato, another touch of mayonnaise on top, and we just cover it. There it is. And now let's get to what turns this simple sandwich, simple but amazing, into a piripi. Just a griddle, a grill, one of these toasters. You use it until the outside is nicely toasted and golden. It's just a matter of seconds, and if you have this beauty, wow, on the table. Sevillian tapa, Sevillian sandwich, Montadito, spectacular piripi. Look at that presentation. Everybody loves this. I'm going to cut it so you can see the inside. Compact, juicy, full of flavor. And with this crunchy exterior that makes it even more fun. Incredible.
Thank you.